Kern County Sheriff's Office, anybody in there, make yourself known.
Open the door, come out with your hands up, unarmed. We don't want to do that, just come on out. Let's break the window and pull him out. Watch your eyes, guys, watch your eyes. Yep. Watch your eyes. Hold on, we're coming to get you, hold on. I'm going to pull you out, okay? Grandma's inside? Grandma's inside?
He's 20 for the victim.
You probably killed his grandma by now. You almost killed me.
He's 20, we got...
He's right here.
Okay.
To the left.
Ready?
There we go. Come on! Put the knife down! Put the knife down!
Where is he?
Where is that? Where's he at?
He's in the house. I don't know.
Inside this house? Kern County Sheriff's Office, anybody in there, make yourself known.
Open the door! Come out with your hands up, unarmed!
Shoot me, bitch. Shoot me.
We don't want to do that, just come. Let's break the window and pull him out. Hold on, we're coming to get you, hold on. Is there anybody else inside here?
Yeah, one, our grandma's in something.
Grandma's inside?
Yeah, she been stabbed too.
Grandma's inside, she's been stabbed. Give me your other hand. Give me your other hand. Can you walk?
No.
You can't walk?
No, I can't.
Okay. Hold on, I'm gonna keep pointing at him.
Probably killed his grandma by now. He almost killed me. I mean, like, my guy's still.
He's right here.
Okay.